What's new? Tactical shotgun, epic and legendary. 83, 87 maximum damage, headshot multiplier of 2.25. 87 multiplied by 196. Still good. But you know what would be better if these shotguns replace the current tac shotguns. Combat shotgun changes. Reduced headshot multiplier from 1.7 to 1.5. Reduce the long range effectiveness of the combat shotgun. Yo, low key, this might make this new legendary tac like one of the best shotguns. Yo, how's this new shotgun?
I mean, it doesn't rival the combat, but you're not gonna be like pissed off if you have that, you know? You're okay.
Even with the nerfed combat shotgun, like with the fall off
combat's ridiculous, bro. Jimmy and I got in the creative and did what you and I do, you know? And it's so. But the good thing about it though is it does 195 to the head. It's a lot, bro.
Yeah.
Close range.
Depending on how you play it, it can be better than pump, yeah.
Yeah, true.
Yo, I just got a legendary one. Yo, what's up, YouTube? No, okay. I don't got one yet.
Yeah.
I don't got one yet.
Because also, like, with that gun, like, you don't need a follow-up like you do with a pump, you know? So.
Yeah,
true. Save a slot. That's huge, too, and competitive, at least.
but in reality, the combat is really the one that doesn't need a follow-up ever. That's
ever, like, for anything.
Yeah, I mean, you don't even need a second gun to be able to combat. You'll be alright just having a combat only.
Wow.
I hit that guy for a lot.
I got him.
You just want to flew up?
Yeah, someone just flew up.
Right here for EPK, if you want it.
Yep. Let me grab this mini. Grab that mini too. Do one of you take the pump?
With the small pots? No, I put it on pink.
Yeah, they auto pick up now.
Yeah, they auto pick up and they like they'll go to max too.
Yeah. And it won't
Also,
drop your current stack.
Yeah, also, also, like, if you like say you're shotgun out, you could pick up minis now without having to switch to your pickaxe.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's good. A lot of good changes.
Auto drop it.
But yo, they nerfed my deep dab emo, bro.
They nerfed it bad, yeah.
I can't even shoot with it anymore.
God.
I wonder if you can shoot with another emote though. Let me see.
Oh, I'm sure you can.
Well,
No. They added a delay to every emote.
Oh.
They added
every emote?
Yeah, they added a shooting delay to every emote. Yo, that's messed up, man. Like.
But I mean, that's how it should be.
No, I know. I know that's how it should be.
Oh, there's people on the platform, Nick.
On the alien platform.
Yeah.
The alien. Oh, okay. Let's go fight these guys in front of us. There's a launch pad right here. There's a lot, Jimmy. Careful.
Dude, I keep.
Yeah, they fixed audio. Yeah, they fixed all the audio problems this patch. Right, guys?
No, I was playing man forward. I thought those grenades were theirs. I hear more. I hear coming with bowlers.
What are you doing, bonehead?
I heard bowlers over here to the west.
Did you? I'm looking. They could have went down into the divot. I don't see him here. Let's go hit that pad. Get to PK. He's probably fighting those guys.
No, it was just one guy. I killed him.
Okay.
I'm flying over to you guys. Plus, I thought I saw a crate next to you guys. You guys just open one?
No, I saw on the map too. Oh, the baller's here, Jimmy.
Oh, you might have launched. You might have got off and launched.
Someone took that crate quick.
Where was the crate? 'Cause that's where this guy is.
It was north. It was in this direction. Like towards the slip trains.
Oh, I don't know then, actually.
They brought the bolt back.
Yeah, and
They remove the sounds, or is
they
it just...
vaulted the silence.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I mean,
Which is good. There shouldn't be that many
Yeah.
snipers. We don't know.
Even though there's a little sniper going on next week.
Is there?
Yeah, it's called like the Storm Scout or something like that.
Right.
Storm Scout Sniper.
the new shotgun, does it come out of chests?
Yeah.
Yeah, chess. Handy machines is where I found the majority of mine.
That's good. I like that there's more shotguns in chests.
I got a llama over here.
I hear an airstrike going off somewhere. Like tomato.
I'll fly over there.
I mean, you get through it from anywhere, but dude, I don't see anything. But there was an airstrike going on right where I'm at. Oh, on the boat. The ship.
On the boat, I'm coming.
I'm
at the
on a
tip?
boat.
He just fell in the water at the tip.
Another guy right there, Jimmy. On the ping. Two of them.
One went inside. One's launching to you, Nick. Yeah, the woman.
I've seen the new shotgun 100% of the time at the landing block, at the block. Probably, yeah. The block always has
What's the noise?
legendary drops. I'll have to check it out. But I know I'm not gonna be able to land at the block while playing with these fools. So we'll just have to try our luck at Salty.
That's not good.
You good? You need help?
I shouldn't. Fine.
He's down there.
Oh my god, that looks so weird.
Dibs on the gun.
All yours, brother.
I've got
What is he shooting? What is
splashes.
that smell?
Yeah. What was that? I got splashes on me.
He was shooting at me before. I have no idea what the hell
that's
that's
the...
sound.
I'm coming right now.
I got splashes on me. Do me.
I think that's the that's the sub, isn't it? Like the TAC AR?
I don't know, but it sounded so weird. I've never heard that sound before.
He was shooting at me before. I didn't know what the heck I was getting hit with. They must have changed the sound effect on one of the guns.
They must have, yeah, because like, it sounded like paintball shots,
Oh.
right?
It's the drum gun, bro. No.
Oh.
It sounded like paintball shots, like hitting outside our door.
I don't know what he had, bro. He had a green AR,
So we got
drum
mats.
gun, and the... Yeah, I have mats for you.
I might try some of the new sound effects when bullets are hitting walls. You drop them yet?
Let me over here.
Might be.
Maybe it's only when enemies are hitting your walls?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know what the hell is this cough I got right now. It's so annoying.
Yeah, I hear that. Feels bad. Why don't you take some shit? Some tea or something?
Maybe some love traps.
Yeah. Yeah, they're all saying they just changed the sound for when the bullet hits the wall.
I've been playing all day, and that's the first time I've heard that.
Yeah. I've been playing for the past one game. That's the first time I heard it too.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha.
I got it.
Everyone's dead? Bro, I'm trying to use
I
this
was
new
gonna-
gun, bro. If I, yeah. am I supposed to get a video out of this?
I got a guy on me. There's more coming too.
On my way.
Where are you
guys
at?
by me?
Okay, I'm here.
Broken shield.
What happened? Oh, Dad's here. Nice. We're gonna push these guys with this shotgun.
Ooh.
And guys at that broken building. Oh no.
Wow.
Broken shield. Put on the wrong gun.
Bro, this guy's like Tarzan. How the fuck did he even get through there?
I broke his shield twice already. Again? I broke his shield again? Bro, this is... I don't know how many times I gotta break this guy's shield.
This guy could potentially be the worst player I've ever seen. Not for nothing, bro. This shit hits kind of hard from deep, man.
That was very annoying.
Right there, right up there.
What the?
I got the horses in the back.
Do you know? The horse was in the back. Crossing the river to our right.
Oh, get off me, boy. You ain't slick.
No, I'm here.
You here?
You mean mats?
Nah, I'm chilling.
No, I mean, I need mats.
I have
Have
mats.
mats?
Got you.
Wait. Thought I heard footsteps from here.
Oh, I got people on me.
Coming. Hey, bro, I've been dropping kills this morning, bro. On you?
The west of me.
Yeah, up here.
Broke one shield.
Yeah, I got the guy that you broke his shield.
Someone respawned. Someone respawned and started flying away. I think one of them's still down there though.
Yeah, there's a baller
Yep, yep,
flying. All the way up top, all the way up top.
This shotgun feels pretty nice.
Not bad, to be honest.
Come on, guys, don't be mean.
guy's in a baller. I don't know where he went. He just went across.
Down here. I'm gonna flint knock into his box. What's up, baby? Think you can trap me? Think
With
so.
SMG?
Well, no, he's just trying to trap me, bro.
Oh, okay. Gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta do what you gotta
GG's.
do,
Guys, this
baby.
shotgun is actually not bad. This is like what the tac shotgun should be like if it was good.